Welcome back, my dear learners, to day 13 of our English Shadowing Challenge here on Daily English Dose with Alia Mehar. Take a deep breath. You've come so far, from talking about yourself, to ordering food, to speaking confidently at work and in public. And today, we're going somewhere new. Today's lesson is all about travel and directions. One of the most exciting and useful parts of speaking English. Maybe you dream of traveling to another country someday. Maybe you want to visit your relatives in another city. Or maybe you just want to ask for directions confidently when you're at a bus stop or an airport. Whatever your reason, today's session is for you. Every traveler knows the feeling. You arrive at a new place. People are speaking fast. You see signs in English. And you're not sure what to say. Excuse me, where is platform number 3? Or, can you please tell me how to get to the airport? Or even, I'm looking for the baggage claim area. When you can speak English in these situations, you're not just traveling, you're connecting with the world. You know what's amazing? Every word you learn today is a step toward freedom. Freedom to travel. Freedom to communicate. Freedom to explore the world without fear. So don't rush. Don't worry about mistakes. We're learning slowly, step by step, with calm, clear English. Because slow English is powerful English. Repeat with me. Slow and steady, I am becoming fluent. We'll learn daily travel-related sentences and phrases, the ones you'll actually hear and use at bus stops, train stations, and airports. Each sentence will help you. Ask for directions politely. Understand instructions clearly. Communicate confidently when traveling alone. And remember, this is not just about grammar. It's about confidence, voice, and real communication. I'll say each sentence slowly, and you'll repeat after me. This is called shadowing practice, and it's one of the fastest ways to sound natural in English. Before we move forward, I want you to pause and smile. You are doing something that millions of people only wish they could do. You're improving yourself every single day. Maybe your friends don't understand your journey. Maybe no one around you speaks English. But still, you show up, you practice, you grow, and that's what makes you unstoppable. So today, when you repeat these sentences, imagine yourself traveling to your dream place, confidently asking for help, smiling, and being understood perfectly. You are not just learning English. You are building a new version of yourself. Now I want to hear from you. Write in the comments below. My dream place to visit is the Rise. Tell me, where do you want to go? Is it London, Paris, Dubai, Tokyo, or maybe a peaceful beach or a mountain city? Your answer might inspire someone else who's watching this same video, someone who needs a bit of hope today. And I read your comments. Remember that. This challenge is not just lessons. It's our family journey together. Before we start our shadowing practice, repeat this with me slowly. I am learning to express myself. I am confident, calm, and clear. I can travel anywhere with my English. Every sentence you say today, every word you repeat, is preparing you for real-life moments that will make you proud. Because English isn't just a language, it's the key to opportunity. It's your voice to the world. So stay till the very end of this video, because we'll not only practice travel sentences, we'll also learn how to sound natural, polite, and confident, just like native speakers. And remember, this is day 13. Only 2 more days to go in our challenge. If you've made it this far, you're already a champion. So grab your notebook, relax your shoulders, and get ready to shadow every sentence with me. Let's begin your English travel adventure and your English speaking transformation together. Don't skip. Don't pause. Because today we'll shadow together, step by step, and by the end, you'll be ready to travel the world with English as your passport. Take a deep breath, smile, and repeat with me. I'm ready. I'm learning. I'm confident. Now let's begin our 30 travel and directions sentences. Repeat slowly. Feel each word, and let's grow together.
Sentence 1. I'm waiting for the bus. Repeat. I'm waiting for the bus. Sentence 2. The bus is late today. Repeat. The bus is late today. Sentence 3. Excuse me, where is the ticket counter? Repeat. Excuse me, where is the ticket counter? Sentence 4. What time does the train arrive? Repeat. What time does the train arrive? Sentence 5. How much is a ticket to the city center? Repeat. How much is a ticket to the city center? You're doing an amazing job, truly. Remember, every time you speak English aloud, you are rewiring your brain. You're building fluency, confidence, and rhythm. You're not just practicing, you're preparing for real life. Say this with me. I'm getting better every day. I'm proud of my progress. Sentence 1. I'm waiting for the bus. Repeat. I'm waiting for the bus. Sentence 2. The bus is late today. Repeat. The bus is late today. Sentence 3. Excuse me, where is the ticket counter? Repeat. Excuse me, where is the ticket counter? Sentence 4. What time does the train arrive? Repeat. What time does the train arrive? Sentence 5. How much is a ticket to the city center? Repeat. How much is a ticket to the city center? You're doing an amazing job, truly. Remember, every time you speak English aloud, you are rewiring your brain. You're building fluency, confidence, and rhythm. You're not just practicing, you're preparing for real life. Say this with me. I'm getting better every day. I'm proud of my progress. Sentence 6. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Repeat. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Sentence 7. I'd like to sit by the window, please. Repeat. I'd like to sit by the window, please. Sentence 8. Where does this train go? Repeat. Where does this train go? Sentence 9. Can you tell me the next stop? Repeat. Can you tell me the next stop? Sentence 10. I'm getting off at the next station. Repeat. I'm getting off at the next station. Sentence 11. Where is the check-in counter? Repeat. Where is the check-in counter? Sentence 12. I have one suitcase and one backpack. Repeat. I have one suitcase and one backpack. Sentence 13. What time is my flight? Repeat. What time is my flight? Sentence 14. How long is the flight to New York? Repeat. How long is the flight to New York? Sentence 15. Where is the boarding gate? Repeat. Where is the boarding gate? Wow, you've already practiced 15 sentences. That's halfway through, and I'm so proud of you. Imagine yourself at an airport, confidently talking to the staff, checking your flight, or asking for help in English. No fear, no hesitation, just clear, confident speech. You're not learning for today. You're preparing for your future travels, your future job, your global dreams. Say it with me. I'm learning for my future. I can do this. Sentence 16. Can I have a window seat, please? Repeat. Can I have a window seat, please? Sentence 17. My flight has been delayed. Repeat. My flight has been delayed. Sentence 18. Excuse me, where can I find a taxi? Repeat. Excuse me, where can I find a taxi? Sentence 19. I think my luggage is missing. Repeat. I think my luggage is missing. Sentence 20. Thank you for your help. Repeat. Thank you for your help. Breathe in and smile. You're doing something amazing today. You're improving your English in a way that's natural and practical. Never compare your journey to anyone else's. Your speed, your voice, your accent, they're all uniquely yours. Keep speaking, keep repeating, and you'll notice how fluent you're becoming, step by step. Sentence 21. Excuse me, how do I get to the airport? Repeat. Excuse me, how do I get to the airport? Sentence 22. Go straight and turn left. Repeat. Go straight and turn left. Sentence 23. It's next to the post office. Repeat. It's next to the post office. Sentence 24. The bus stop is on the right. Repeat. The bus stop is on the right. Sentence 25. Thank you for your directions. Repeat. Thank you for your directions. Sentence 26. I need to go to the city center. Repeat. I need to go to the city center. Sentence 27. How far is it from here? Repeat. How far is it from here? Sentence 28. Can you please show me on the map? Repeat. Can you please show me on the map? Sentence 29. I think I'm lost. Repeat. I think I'm lost. Sentence 30. Thank you so much for your help. Repeat. Thank you so much for your help. You've just completed day 13 of our 15-day English speaking challenge. Take a moment. Smile. You did it. You spoke 30 real-life travel sentences, repeated them, shadowed them, and gave your best. Think about it for a second.
Just 2 weeks ago, you might have felt shy saying even simple sentences in English. But now, you can travel, ask for directions, check in at airports, and talk to strangers with confidence.
That's not a small achievement. That's a transformation. Because fluency isn't built in one day. It's built day by day, sentence by sentence, effort by effort. And every single time you've shown up here, you've proved something powerful. You believe in yourself. You're consistent. You're unstoppable. Many people start something but never finish it. They say, I'll practice tomorrow. But you, yes, you listening right now, you're different. You've stayed strong for 13 days straight. That's amazing discipline. You see, learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about building the courage to express yourself, to share your ideas, your dreams, your heart with the world. We're moving toward day 14, and I want you to help me shape it. Tell me in the comments, what topic should we cover next? Would you like to talk about restaurants, holidays, emotions, or maybe job interviews? Your ideas matter. I read every single comment, and your voice helps this challenge grow. So don't be shy. Write your suggestion and join our creative English family. If today's lesson helped you, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Tap the bell icon so you never miss day 14. And yes, watch this video again tomorrow. Shadow it twice. Repeating builds muscle memory, and every time you listen again, your pronunciation gets smoother, your rhythm becomes more natural, and your confidence grows. Remember, repetition is the mother of mastery. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up. And thank you for trusting me to be a small part of your journey. I'll see you tomorrow for day 14. A brand new, exciting topic full of inspiration, energy, and real English practice. Don't miss it. Stay connected, keep practicing, and always remember, your English voice matters. See you tomorrow, my amazing learners. Keep shining, keep growing, and keep believing in you.